holistic nutritionist, and she's been working with me for a while now. And thank you so much for opening up your kitchen and sharing with us some great breakfast ideas.
Thank you. It is my pleasure. I'm super excited to show you my favorite quick, easy breakfast that, as you know from our time together, really make a big difference in how you feel.
Yeah. I mean, I realized, especially working from home, like a lot of us photographers do, I was skipping breakfast altogether. You know, I'd get in, I'd get my kids off to school, and then sit down and go to Facebook or check email, or, you know, I have a job that has to get out, and it's 12 o'clock and I haven't eaten breakfast and I'm starving. So these are really yummy. I do these all the time, and they're really quick. So why don't you share them with us?
I would love to share them with you. I'm actually going to start off by making a smoothie, which I know is one of your favorites. I can eat this, quite honestly, all year long, even when it's cold, because I find it's really satisfying. It really keeps us full, and quite honestly, it's really delicious. So you're going to start with water or milk of your choice, about a cup and a half. To that, you'll add about a scoop of protein powder. That is my cat on the floor, scratching himself right now. He loves when we make smoothies. You're going to add about a cup or so of your favorite fresh or frozen fruit, right in there. And then to this, we want to make sure, because right now we've got the protein, we've got some nice hydrating liquid in there. We want to add some fat to that, because that's really what's going to help to keep it filling and keep us going throughout the day. So some nut butter is usually my fat of choice. I'll do about a tablespoon or so of that. Put that in. And now, depending on the level of sweetness that you like, do you like your smoothies on the sweeter side, or are you a less sweet kind of person?
Probably. It never hurts to be sweet.
I just want to be a little sweeter. So I will do something like a date. Throw that in there, put the lid on, you blend this. This is breakfast, and maybe, how long did that take me? Maybe 3 minutes, and you can take this on the go.
Yeah.
Not even, exactly. Not even. Throw it in a thermos, and out the door you go. Another one of my favorites are these beautiful scrambled eggs that we made here. We made these a couple minutes ago in probably what? How long did that take me? Like a minute and a half?
Yeah.
Maybe a minute and a half.
To me, I probably burned them, but you were fabulous.
Low heat is the way to go. You totally won't burn them. Super easy. And this is just 2 eggs, right? Super quick in a little olive oil. And because it's always such a great idea to start your day with some vegetables, sneak in those veggies wherever you can. Some boxed arugula is my go-to. You can keep this in the fridge, lasts a long time, and you literally take about a nice handful of that arugula. To that, again, I'm a really big fan of fat, as you know, because it's a little bit of those healthy fats that really go a long way in keeping us full and actually keeping us energized, and they really help maintain a healthy weight because you're not going to be craving a lot of those other foods. So our fat of choice here is a little drizzle of olive oil, and then we are going to just plop those eggs right on top. I mean, look, it looks like you're like dining in some beautiful establishment. My kitchen is a beautiful establishment. Yes. This is dining in the Moss Wellness kitchen, and voila, we get fancy. Fresh ground pepper.
Yes.
There you go. Another favorite of mine, and this is for people that like a little bit of warming, maybe a little bit of sweeter breakfast, something to get you going on a cold winter's day. I'm a big fan of actually doing steel-cut oatmeal, more so than the rolled oats, because that, again, has more fiber, has more protein, it's going to keep you fuller. Yes. You can also do something like quinoa if you want something that's a little bit of a change from your typical oatmeal. And so either way, you're going to make one of these, and you're going to top it with, this is about a 1/4 cup of walnuts.
Okay.
Protein, fat, that's my theme for my breakfast and pretty much everything that we do in Moss Wellness. Throw a handful of this on top, chop up some bananas, and you're good to go.
Yeah.
So here's the thing. If you are someone who burns your eggs, like you, which I totally get, or you're just not all that familiar with healthy breakfast options in the kitchen, you can download my free ebook from my website. This is 7 breakfasts you can make in 5 minutes, mosswellness.com. All of these recipes here today, and 4 more, because that would be 7.
Yeah, that would be 7. and a note for my gluten-free people that the steel-cut oats and the quinoa are both gluten-free.
Gluten-free, absolutely. And one last thing about this, there's a recipe in here to make these overnight. So most people don't want to make steel-cut oatmeal because it's going to take 20 minutes in the morning. You can totally do it in 5 minutes.
Yeah, great.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
So
Thank you.
now you have no excuse for not eating breakfast. And thank you again, Andrea from Moss Wellness. And I'm Sophia Negron from the Healthy Photographer. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.